Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if this is the first video of mine that you're catching, welcome. My name is Rachel and I am a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I buy online liquidation, customer returns, I get it shipped right to my door, and I sell it online for profit. So today I'm doing an unboxing video. This is the J. Crew new Unbox shoes mystery box from Boutique by the Box. So if you want to see what they sent me this time, definitely stick around. So this actually came to me in two boxes. It's this one, and then I'll open this one too. It's not very heavy, but it is 10 pair of shoes, and they're all new with box. So I imagine they're taking up a lot of space. This was listed on the Boutique by the Box website for $180. I do have a 10% off code that they let me use on my own orders, which I love. The code is "oh yeah." If you want to use it, you can use it too on the website. It works on most things. I do have that link down below as well. But I was able to take 10% off of my order, and so it cost me $162 or $16.20 per pair. I did order the J. Crew Madewell shoe box, which was, I'll link that one down below if you want to watch that video. But that was not new with box. So this one being new with box, I decided I wanted to give it a try. This one went for sale like, I want to say like a week or so after the other one did. So if you like reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. I am going to open this live. I'll show you what came in here, and I'll come back 90 days later after I've had a chance to list and sell off everything. And I'll give you my actual results of how much money I made and if I buy another one based on my results. So stick around for that if you'd like. Hit that like button too. That lets me know you like this kind of videos. And let me know in the comments if you ordered this particular variety. I would love to hear how yours is doing or what kind of assortment you got. So I'm going to open this up live. I have done really well with all of my other J. Crew Madewell stuff I've ordered from this website, Boutique by the Box. And so I'm really excited to see what's in here. I am going to rate this using my rating system. The last couple videos I did, I forgot, so I'll make sure to do it here. Basically, I will rate this based on the quality of items, the ease of listing, and the profitability in 90 days. I will give it, if I think it's great, I will give it an "oh yeah." If I think it's just okay, I'll give it an "oh okay." And if I'm like, oh my gosh, what did I do? Like, there's no way I'm going to make money on this, I will give it an "oh no." And then when I come back 90 days later, I will let you know, rate it again based on how things actually did. So let me go ahead and open this up. It is sealed. Both boxes are sealed. Whenever possible, I love to open the box while the camera's rolling so I can react to what's in here in real time. I do use List Perfectly to cross list, so I will put this on at least eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. That does give me the best chance of selling everything within 90 days. So that's sort of the plan. I'll show you, I'll list everything, I'll cross list everything, and we'll go from there. All right, so here's what I see in the first box. It's literally a bunch of shoe boxes. Some of them have some plastic around them, so I guess we'll just have to figure it out as we go. And okay, so these are all J. Crew. These are the Spazzo Rib Cuff Boots in a size 9. I don't see a price tag on the box. Okay, so that's these. I'm not actually even sure if these are men's or women's at this point. The thing I love about J. Crew or the J. Crew Madewell stuff in general is that usually there's style numbers on here, and this one does. Like even on the clothing too, like there's a style number here. So it's very easy for me to look these up online and see like how much they sold for, how, how much they were priced at, if they're still available for sale right now, if they're on clearance, if they're sold out, all of that stuff. So it's really great, and it makes it very easy for me to list. $16.20 per pair, not bad so far. Okay, these are the same Spazzo Rib Cuff Boots in a size 5.5. So these are the same boots, just a different size. These are really new. Like, no one's ever even touched the paper on these. Same boots. That'll make it easy to list. Here's the other one. The only thing is, the question will be, did everybody else that ordered this box get the same boots? And also, were these boots like not selling? Like no one wanted these? These are overstocked. These are unsold. That's really going to be the unknown with this stuff, I think, at this point. These are the same boots again, also in a size 9, which is the first pair that I opened. I guess we can take a look, and yeah, they're the exact same ones. Okay, there's one more box that looks the same as the others. Let's see if this one is the same. The Spazzo rib cuff, size 5.5. Okay, so yes. So I got 2 size 9 and 2 size 5.5 of the same boot. This one has some plastic around it. Oh, this is the Spazzo. So these must have been a return or something. It does say too, the Spazzo rib cuff boot. These say size 7. I'll have to cut it open to see what's in here. Yeah, these are the same boots again in a size 7. Okay, well, it's kind of underwhelming, I guess, but you know what? If these are good sellers, this is wonderful, because this is like a minimal amount of work that I'll have to do to actually like list this stuff. So that's what's going to depend on like how saturated are these boots will be the big question. I'm going to switch boxes. I'm going to open up the other box. Hopefully there's some other variety in the next box. Okay, here's box number 2. I'm going to open this one up. There's a lot of tape on this box. Okay, we're in. Okay, there's more. All of these seem to have like the wrap around them, or at least the ones on the top. This one I can tell you is a different style number, so that's exciting. Let me cut into it here. Okay, here's some sandals. So these are a size 8.5, and these are leather. So those are nice. Seasonally appropriate, at least more so than the boots. So that's good. Okay, these are definitely more seasonally appropriate. Those are nice. And they're size 7, and they do look completely brand new. So that's good. Wow, look at these. These are pink, size 7.5. This one's a little kids. No, these are not kids. They're just called the style is the kid. These are definitely a women's 7.5. I'm quite confused. Okay, I'll have to do some research on these. As with all of them, of course. All right, we got one more little tiny box. The Spazzo Fisherman. Okay, I'm not sure I want to see the word Spazzo after all those boots, but this is definitely not going to be the same. Oh, these are the same as the brown ones, but these are black. So these are a size 9. And I mean, these are leather and they're clearly never been worn. So that's good. And then the last thing in here is actually a really big box. So these maybe are tall boots. All right, check out this big box here. Whoops, did we save the best for last? Patent leather knee-high, size 10. Ooh, let's see what's in here. Came with a dust bag. Oh, wow. Check these out. Patent leather knee-high. That is indeed what we've got here. Wow. Okay. And yeah, I mean, they look brand new. Size 10. Beautiful boots. All right, so I don't really need to count. I can see that I've got 10 pairs of shoes here. So my initial reaction, let's see, quality of items, everything is new in box. I'm going to give it an oh yeah. There's no question. Everything is perfect quality as far as I can see. Everything looks like it's never been worn, never been touched. So from a quality perspective, oh yeah, absolutely what I expected. Ease of listing, I'm also going to have to give it an oh yeah. This is going to be super easy. Again, not taking into account the actual value of this stuff, but I will be able to easily find the style numbers, the style names, and I've got 5 of the same pair of boots. So it's going to take me like 10 seconds to make 5 listings and get these up for sale. So that's super great. From that perspective, also have to say, oh yeah, this is where it's going to vary, right? There's a little bit of unknowns here. And most of it I'm going to say is with these Spazzo boots. I don't know how saturated the market is. I don't know if they just was not a good style that the brand itself had trouble selling, and that's why it ended up in resellers' hands. That's a lot of unknown that we have to kind of work through. So if you just look at the fact that they're all new with tag and their boots, or they're all new with box and their boots, and the couple of sandals I did get seem to be seasonally appropriate and actual leather, I'm going to give this an oh yeah, with my fingers crossed that there's not some underlying issue that I can't see initially in front of my face. So please let me know in the comments if you've ordered this. If you're interested in any of these, my goal is to have them listed by the time this video goes live. So check out my eBay Poshmark in Mercari. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the 90-day update on this one, as well as other 90-day updates I have coming up. And hit that like button on the way out if you could. That certainly helps the channel as well. And that's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.